Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna.
Good morning, sugar pies. How you guys doing? Welcome to a new video. It's morning right now. It's currently 9:51. It's 9 minutes to 10 o'clock. Today is Sunday and we are filming a Sunday reset video. I'm just gonna do like a general cleaning of my room is so dirty. Like I need to clean, I need to dust, I need to wipe things up. I also plan to film a video for Instagram, so I feel like I have a lot to do right now. I'm currently editing a picture. I'm currently editing a picture for my real video, like that cover photo. I use PicMonkey, and this is how it is. I just like put the words there and then I edit to my desire. That's what I'm doing. I also plan to, before I start, like I don't even know where to start, you guys. Like, hey, give this video a big thumbs up before we even start, because we don't even know where we're starting. But I have not bathed. I just had a cup of coffee. I have not had breakfast. I have not bathed, child. I have not done anything. I just want to do everything with you guys here, because since today is Sunday, I want to do a mask, I want to bath, I want to do makeup. My life. I really don't know which font I use, you guys. Like, I think it's this one. You know what, maybe this one. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this font, because child, I'm struggling. So what I do, I just click save right here, and then I save into photos. It's saving. That's done. I go back now. I go to my Instagram. You guys see the font that I want? I want this one here, this one in the middle. If you don't follow me on Instagram, here is my Instagram name. It's Lyne_Mohammed. You can follow me there for some juicy, you guys. I'm trying to be so active on my Instagram. So we're going to edit this video right here. This is the one that I want to edit. So I just click on these three dots right here, and then I click on edit, and then it goes like that, and then I click edit the picture right there, and then I say choose add from gallery, and then I'm just, you see guys, I was working on different fonts, but I don't know. These are other pictures that I took yesterday. So I'm just gonna put this one and then save. Now let's go back. You see, still it doesn't look like this one here, but you know what, I'm not gonna stress about it. So this is my Instagram account, Lyne_Mohammed. I'm trying to be active, to post every single day. I've deleted some content, and these are all the content that I have in here. So do follow me for some makeup, hair thing related, skincare and makeup related issues. And now I'm going to plan my day. I just go on, not on my notebook, on my phone. There are my notes, and then I'll just add. I think I'll go on to-do list, since today it's I go over here to do, and then just add. You see, these are some of the to-do lists that I've already completed. Now I'm gonna add another one, the things that I want to do today. Let me just do that real quick.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake
sugar pies, before I take a shower, I want to, since it's a self-care video, guys, look at my armpits. They are so embarrassing. I want to shave my armpits, and I just want to quickly show you guys how I do it here. What I do is I usually go and apply a conditioner. You can use a conditioner of your choice, whichever conditioner you have. This helps for you to not to get razor bumps. It also helps to keep your underarms and your lady down there soft. So I'll apply like that, and then you just take your shaving machine and just shave down like that. And just like that, guys, we are done. Our armpits are looking all clean. Yo, I think I didn't remove here some hair here. So right now I'm going to take a shower, remove this, take a shower, and start cleaning. I've not even started cleaning. If I show you guys how my room looks like, you'll faint, but we'll clean together anyways. Let me just go take a shower, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I want to show you guys how messy my house is. My bed is not made, everything is everywhere. Dishes are there. Those are washed dishes that I've washed. They need to be arranged, but I'm feeling, look at this place, like my space is dirty, you guys. Let me show you my stove. So dirty, and I'm running out of energy. I just bought a Coke. I'm warming up my food in the microwave. I want to eat first, and let's see if we have energy to do this the rest of this video, because wow, child, wow.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
getting there. I'm gonna take a break and have some snacks. I'm gonna have these lays are my favorite. These are the potato chips, Caribbean onion and balsamani vinegar flavor. I love these ones. I'm almost done. Like, I've cleaned the most part. My stove, that side is clean. I'm only left cleaning the fridge. I'm sorry for the brightness. I'm only left like cleaning, wiping the fridge, and also I'll show you guys, and tidying up this area. Once I'm done tidying up here, that's when I'm gonna like mop and clean and mop. I also want to put away these drawers. These drawers are for that side there. I removed them because I wanted to put glue. These drawers were coming out. I wanted to put glue, and this is the glue that I bought. So I was just waiting for them to dry. Once they're dry, they are going back over there, and that will be it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Sugar pies, I'm done cleaning, and it's so late. I think it's 8:08 now. I'm done cleaning my house. At least it's looking like someone's room. So right now I'm planning to do my night skincare routine, but the video is not gonna be here. I'm not gonna, maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek, but I'm gonna film it for Instagram because I want to like send it. I want to post it tomorrow morning, which is Monday. I want to post it on Monday and then warm some dinner. I'm just gonna warm the leftovers that I have in the fridge and call it a night. My place is clean. I'm happy. Like, I am happy. Our cooking area, it's looking like that. It's clean. You guys, I just switch on this the stove because it's so cold. Guys, let me know, how can I clean the inside of this stove? Do you guys see? I'm trying not to get like the camera so close. How can I clean the inside of this stove? Because I tried, I could not. If you have any tips, let me know in the comment section, unless otherwise. And this is how the other side is looking like. I'm extremely happy. I need to change my beddings. I don't like this bed sheets. I have a candle there. I also need to sort those cable situation over there. And then over my chest of drawer is just plain like that. Like that. I'm so happy. I mopped down. I finished. I also got a new this fridge thingy right here. This just came in while I was cleaning. And that's it right now. Let's film another video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you